No, but
The
Michelle,
investment is proportionate to the need and the impact. I mean, I was on a call with a commission on biotech threats yesterday, and the estimate is that COVID is costing the global economy a $500 billion a month. When you think about the power of biotechnology to combat something like that type of economic threat, then the scale of the investment, the time of the dedication seems completely reasonable and in line.
so one of the things I've noticed about COVID-19 is that there are at least 45 different companies working on vaccines. It's been an extraordinary success that what had in the past taken as much as 10 years to get a vaccine, it was accomplished in about 10 months. But the lobbying power of big pharma does not go unnoticed. And when it comes to getting products into trial, uh, how hard is it for young companies who don't have those large lobbying supports to be able to get in the queue to get their trials done, even when they may have something that could be extraordinarily important as a breakthrough?
Yeah, well, I will say it's changing and it's improving every day. So we at the Biotechnology Innovation Organization have been tracking global research in the COVID space since it started. And there are over 800 research and development programs that have been started since the beginning of the year to combat COVID, including 191 vaccine development programs. 70% of those research efforts are taking place in small companies, and something we're seeing with COVID and that I think will expand to other areas as well, as we're seeing more small and medium biotech companies able to take their solutions all the way across the finish line to market. And so as that type of public-private partnership allows our small companies to go all the way and through clinical trials and regulatory approval, we're going to see them demanding clinical trial bandwidth and the ability to really get a foothold in that final leg of getting to market. But the other thing that's going to happen is technology is going to bring down the cost of doing things like clinical trials and getting approval. So you can imagine using big data, using artificial intelligence, Bayesian statistics to do adaptive clinical trial design. All of those things will shrink the time, cost, and size of clinical trials and allow more of our medium and small companies to go across the finish line.